Hi everyone, this is Cindy with the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I'm sharing a couple projects that I made with 2 of the 4 new stamp sets by Not2Shabby. And I'll have another video later on, a couple days, that will be showing the other 2 stamp sets as well as projects I made. So the first one is this one right here. It's a very cute kind of summer picnic one. I don't know if these have names or not. Oh, yeah, Picnic Fun. It's called Picnic Fun. Really cute, clear stamp set. So these are the projects that I made. Well, actually, I made 2 projects. So I made this one right here, which says "Have a Joyful Day." So this one, I actually used the Tim Holtz Distress Ink sprays. So I think they're the oxide sprays, actually. And so I just got a bunch of these sprays, and so I'm just kind of testing them out. So all I did was just kind of spray it, and then I put some water on it, and just kind of blotted it with a towel, and just a pretty easy sort of background. And then I just used some paper for grass. I colored in the images with my Copics, and then I fussy cut them. And "Have a Joyful Day." This is part of the Tailored Expressions Easter stamp, the simple strips, the Easter one, I believe. And so I just stamped them all, and I just cut a bunch of them out. And so it's just really nice to have those sentiments kind of ready to go. So there was that one. And then I made a little 3x3 card. And this one says "Time for a Break." I thought it was really cute. Okay. And then the next stamp set is this one right here, which is called Summertime Buddies. So this one I really, really like. It's really cute. Actually, I like them all, but that one's really cute. So I did a slimline card, and I did some ink blending. I just blended some various blues. And then these are oxides. I prefer the oxides. I think they blend better, at least for me, because I'm kind of not that great of a blender. So I find that they blend a little well for me. I feel like I have a little bit better success with them, even though I think as I get better with them, I'll probably be okay with Distress. But I think I'm a little confused about what the difference is between them. So I don't know. But anyway, I just use my Distress oxides because I have most of those colors. And then I spray it with water. And then it kind of gives it that kind of beachy kind of look. And then I basically had stamped a bunch of these, and I actually used a little bit of stickles on them as well. And so I just went ahead and placed those cute little guys all over the slimline card. And the slimline card that I'm using is one from, let's see, it's this one. I have it right here, actually, from Whimsy Stamps. And it's the Slimline Marquee die. So that one. And then this card, you know, it's kind of a pop-up fail. I did a pivot card, but it's not pivoting real well. It's kind of having a pivot problem. I think that it's a little heavy because I have this other paper kind of layered on it. I don't know. I think it's a little heavy or something. But anyway, here is the inside of my pivot card. And then it needs a little help to close a little bit, but here's the front. It says "Get Your Shine On." And then I layered a bunch of these really cute little images all over my card. And then when you open it, in theory, it pops up. So there you go. Like I said, it needs a little bit more help than these pivot cards normally need. That one was kind of a struggle for me. But anyway, so those are the cards that I made using these 2 stamp sets. Really cute. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Grain with a Heart.